Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is about the classification of digital computers and it is given on page 10 of your textbook first year computer sciences. What are the classification of digital computers? Generally we divide the digital computers into four types. First supercomputers, second mainframe computer, third mini computer and fourth microcomputers. And these classification are based on the speed and the cost and the structure of the computer system. First, supercomputers. As its name shows, these are the largest, the most expensive and powerful computers. क्योंकि ये बहुत लार्जेस्ट होते हैं, एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं और पावरफुल कंप्यूटर सिस्टम होते हैं और इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स में सैटेलाइट्स आर आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर्स ऑफ द सुपर कंप्यूटर्स and in the world few countries have the supercomputers. Okay, and these are used in nuclear research. अब nuclear research में सुपर कंप्यूटर यूज होते हैं, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग के लिए सुपर कंप्यूटर यूज होते हैं, मिसाइल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए यूज होते हैं, रॉकेट टू लॉन्च द रॉकेट इन द स्पेस शटल्स के लिए सुपर कंप्यूटर यूज होते हैं. these have their different functionalities. In Pakistan, supercomputers are used in organization such as atomic research centers. These computers can perform trillions of instructions per second, and these are generally used by the at high level of for nuclear research, for weather forecasting, and few of countries contain these supercomputers. So these are the basic points of the supercomputers. Now come to the second, mainframe computers. These are larger, more expensive and more powerful computer that supports thousands of users. Mainframe computers जो हैं वो as compared to micro और mini computer, these are more powerful, but as compared to super computer, these are less powerful. इनकी जो कैपेसिटी होती है वो सुपर कंप्यूटर से थोड़ा कम होती है, but these computer can support thousands of user at a times. Thousands of user at a time. Secondly, these are used in large corporations, banks, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एंड साइंटिफिक लेबॉर्टरीज. हम देख सकते हैं कि इनको लार्ज कॉरपोरेशन में, बैंक्स में, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में बिजनेस पर्पस के लिए इनको यूज़ किया जाता है. और इसकी जो अहम बात है कि इसमें इट सपोर्ट्स थाउजेंड्स ऑफ यूज़र एट अ टाइम. थर्ड, इट कैन एग्जीक्यूट ट्रिलियंस ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन पर सेकेंड. कि ट्रिलियन ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है वो पर सेकेंड हो सकते हैं. Some example of mainframe are IBM series, HP series. These companies are manufacturing the mainframe. Here we can see that the supercomputers are generally used for the defense purpose or for weather forecasting or for space engineering, etc. But the mainframe computers that supports thousands of users, mainframe computers are generally used for the business purpose, for the banks, for the multinational companies, universities, and also it is implemented in the scientific laboratories. Okay. Now the third is mini computers. Mini computers can support hundreds of users at a time. मिनी कंप्यूटर्स जो हैं वो माइक्रो कंप्यूटर से कॉस्ट और स्पीड में बेटर होते हैं, बट दे आर लेस इन पोटेंशियल एज कंपेयर टू सुपर कंप्यूटर और मेन फ्रेम. बट दे कैन सपोर्ट हंड्रेड ऑफ यूजर्स एट अ टाइम्स. So they can execute billion of instruction per second, which is known as bits. In the previous we have seen that the mainframe computer executes million of instruction per second, trillion of instruction per second. But the mini computer can execute billion of instruction per second bits. Similarly, mini computers are used in industrial process control, scientific research and small business application. Generally, the oil companies in Gulf that use the mini computers for their industrial control process. Similarly, they are used for scientific research and small business applications. Example of mini computers are IBM System 360, HP 3000, etc. These are the companies that manufactures mini computers for different purposes. So generally the purpose of mini computers are for scientific application, business application, industrial control process, etc. And now come to the fourth, microcomputers. It is the smallest and least expensive computers, also known as VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit. These are computers that we are using in our computer labs, in our homes. So it is also known as PCs that we can use for domestic purpose also. It can execute millions of instructions per second MIPS. Third, it is used for domestic यूज़ में भी होते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं घरों में. हम जो PCs लैपटॉप्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, दे फॉल इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ माइक्रो कंप्यूटर्स और PCs known as the personal computers. For business purpose, many software have developed for business purpose, and they can be installed in a different organization, in marts, in shops, for business purpose, scientific purpose. Some example of microcomputer are IBM and Apple series. IBM and Apple series are developing the microcomputer, and the important thing is there are large number of software available for these mini computers. For example, Windows, Linux, Unix, that we are using in our computer labs, in school, universities, and colleges. And there are number of databases, Oracle, MS Access, and number of utility softwares that we can install on our microcomputers. So the importance and efficiencies of mini computers are increasing day by day. So these are the basic four types of digital computers. You have to learn it from your textbook, page 10 and 11, and you have to learn it, memorize it in the points form, in the form of points, and you have to write and prepare yourself for paper point of view. And when these questions are asked in the paper, you have to mention their basic points. You have to write the basic point of each classification of digital computers. Okay ji, thank you, Allah Hafiz.